Next example, how to add a file name into the data frame. Data frame. So this is the one example also I'm taking. How to add a previous example, how much? There is 7 or 8. How to add a file name to data frame. Last example I told like 6 or 7.
6, sir. 6.
Last example 6 or 7.
Okay.
So how to add a file name to the data frame? This is also one of the scenario real time. They will ask in interview time. PySpark.sql dot functions import input file name df dot park dot read dot csv. The file name we are giving file store, and let me open the database. This file is available, right? df dot with column file name input underscore file underscore name. Column name. This is the column name we should add. That's what it's saying. With the column we can add, we can able to get it by using this one. Argument column name we want to pass. Okay. So like this we can able to calculate the file name. Okay. You want to import the call library. You want to import the call library, then we can able to calculate those things.